Selamat pagi, saya Yiringnya Bayu. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi web design and development pada week 12. Pada week 12 ini kita akan membahas soal bahasa pemrograman sisi server atau PHP dan CRUD pada table relational. Server-side programming PHP. The PHP hypertext preprocessor is a programming language that allows web developers to create dynamic content that interacts with databases. PHP is basically used for developing web-based software applications. Characteristic: simplicity, efficiency, security, flexibility, familiarity. Applications: perform system functions, handle forms, add, delete, modify elements within databases. Access cookies, variables, and set cookies. Restrict users to access some pages of your website. Encrypt data. The output. The vital components is web server, database, and PHP parser. The text that used in PHP language. Comment. Single lines comments. Multi-lines printing. Multi-lines comments. The example of single line comments. The example of multi-line printings. The example of multi-lines comments. Others for your attention. White space, insensitive, case sensitive, semicolon terminate statements. Expressions are combination of tokens. Braces make blocks. Data types: integers, doubles, booleans, null, strings, arrays, objects, and resources. The step to create CRUD PHP. First is creating database. Next, create the file configuration. After that, create the file index. Next, create file add. After that, create the file edit. And lastly, create file delete. The example how to create the database. The example how to create the file config. Example how to create the file index. This is the continuation of creating the file index. Creating the file add. Creating file edit. Continuation of creating file edit. Lastly, creating the file delete. That is for today. Thank you for listening.